Hello, my name is Ben Smith, and today we're going to be walking through a demo of how to use RoboMQ Connect platform. In this demo, we're going to show how we can get a WhatsApp message that is sent to a business account in WhatsApp and create a lead in NetSuite. As you can see on the screen, I have our palette of potential triggers that we have in our trial account today. If you don't have an account with us, you can open up an account at robomq.io, free trial, and get yours today and start building application flows. Now, before I start diving into the WhatsApp to NetSuite flow, I'm going to briefly give an overview of what a trigger and action is before we jump in. So in every one of these ecosystems, like Dynamics 365 CRM, Salesforce CRM, NetSuite, and even WhatsApp, there are triggers or events that happen inside the ecosystem. RoboMQ Connect can detect when these events happen. Let's say one event is you close or approve an invoice, or another event is that you create a lead in one of the sales CRM platforms like Salesforce or CRM, like Dynamics 365. Connect will be able to detect that there was a change and pull the relevant data into your workflow. And through what I'll be showing you in these couple of modules is that we can transform that data, or filter out that data, I should say, in the trigger side, do some basic transformations in the action before creating something in another ecosystem. So it could very well be that we listen in Dynamics for when a lead has been generated, and we enrich the data that we get from that and then push that into Salesforce. So we can create another lead in Salesforce with the data that we get in Dynamics 365. So this whole demo will be split up over 5 different modules. This introductory module is the first one that we're going over right now. The second one is the trigger module, where I'll just go into one trigger and give a whole step-by-step process of how to set up a trigger, what exactly you're doing when you create a connection to your account, and how you can further attach this to any one of your workflows. The next module will be how you attach an action to your workflow, what that means to your workflow, how can you connect things from the trigger to the action. One of the final modules I'll be going over is the deploying of this workflow. What does it mean to deploy things? What does it mean to manage that workflow? And then the final module will just be a summary of what I have described so far in all the modules. And if you have any more questions after that, don't hesitate to reach out to our marketing team here at RoboMQ, or even our design and development team as well. We'll be happy to answer any of your questions. So with that, let's go on to the first workflow or first trigger of WhatsApp to NetSuite.